How's it going? So I'm back today with another hair review. So today's hair review is brought to you guys from Bestlacewigs.com. Now today's unit that I'm showing you guys is the style number SW092. Now this is a natural color and it is the length 22 inches. So this wig right here is a virgin Brazilian deep wave styled hair. Now it is curly, deep wave curly, whatever you want to call it. Now I've been reviewing a lot of the curly units because I want to show you guys different things other than straight and body wave, because that can just get boring as fuck. So I'm going to show you guys another curly unit today. So this one is pretty deep wave, guys. It's really pretty. Now I didn't co-wash the hair. I'm going to just unbox this one, cut the lace off, and try to style it on my head as usual. It does have about 2 to 3 inches of parting space at the top right here, along with 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 at the base, along with a comb in the back with a little bit of lace for ponytails, and it does have an adjustable strap. Now the cap size on this one I believe is a size medium cap size. It is very stretchy, so if you do have a larger size head, you'll be okay with this unit. Now I'm really excited about this one because I do really like the curl pattern, and the fact that I didn't co-wash it previously before actually showing you guys the unit is going to be better because I can finger comb it out with a wide tooth comb and kind of make it more of a kind of dry big curl instead. I am probably going to do a side part or a middle part with this one just because those are my security blankets. I'm not going to do like an up down hairstyle with this one just because I want to try something other than that. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you are interested in the hair that I'm wearing right now, this was my last Wig Wednesday video, so make sure you check that out. This hair is popping. I'm not going to say it anymore, just go out and check the video. And if you're interested in seeing what this unit looks like today, guys, I would like you to stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is what the unit looks like once I've glued a little bit of the baby hair down. I cut the lace off. I did add some powder at the parting space, and I just played with it a little bit. Like I said to you guys, I wasn't in the in the category of wetting this hair. I just wanted to kind of curl out the curls just to make them look like big dry curls. I think that this looks good. It's nice to kind of co-wash it and then kind of letting it dry overnight and then trying to wear it the next day. But for some reason, I love when you first get the hair and it has its distinct curl pattern. I just think that's when it's like its most prettiest. So I wanted to do this unit just straight out the pack on my head and styled. Which I mostly do with some of my units, but with my curly units, I like to wash it before I put it on. But this one, guys, looks really, really pretty. I do like the curl pattern, like I said. It's a deep wave, so when you do finger comb it out, it gives you more of that kinky, spicy, cool look. It definitely is a nice unit, guys, and it fits my head perfect. I just adjusted the straps in the back, and I put the combs in on the side and in the back. It is pretty full. It does get a little bit flat in the back, which is a little bit weird. So what I'm having to do is kind of comb it in the back and kind of buff it up a little bit. But let me show you guys what the back looks like. So the hair is a great length, guys. It's not super long. It's 22 inches long, but when you're dealing with curly hair, you do lose a little bit of the length. So this is about how long it is, guys. Like I said, I do like it like this. If I'm going for really nice long curly hair, I'll go for 24 to 26 inches. Well, 24 to 28 because that'll give you like that really, really long look. But for this unit, I'm very satisfied with it. I have not received any shedding. I do get a little bit of tangling, but that's just because the pattern hasn't been broken yet. But I do like it a lot, guys. I will leave all the information down below for you guys if you guys are interested in this unit. And this is going to be one of my favorites, and I might add it to my wig sale next month, so stay tuned for that. Now, don't forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And I will catch you guys in a later video. Bye, guys.